Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this edition, I'm going to help you understand how the markets really traded in today's trading session. Well, it was a day when the budget rally seemed to be fizzling out. The Sensex and the Nifty, in fact, logged their second worst day in the year 2022 so far, snapping the three-day winning streak that we have been seeing right ahead of the budget and post the budget as well. The Nifty closed below 17,600. The Sensex also fell about 770 points at the end of the session, and mainly both the major indices were dragged by IT and the realty stocks. Now, except for the auto index, rest all of the sectors in fact slipped into the red. The benchmark indices also broke the 3 days winning momentum that they had been garnering around the budget, as well as oil and gas stocks and the realty capital goods stocks also saw some bit of decline in today's trading session. Let's look at the closing levels first. The Sensex was down 1.29%, and it ended 770 points lower in trade at 58,788. Remember, right after the budget in yesterday's trading session, we had also seen the Sensex almost inching closer to the 60,000 mark. 59,500 was crossed as well. But look at where we have ended today. 58,788, down by almost 900 points from that high of yesterday as well. Now look at Nifty as well. It was down by 220 odd points or 1.2%. It ended at 17,560. About 1663 shares were advancing in the trade today. And on the other hand, 1602 shares declined as well. So the advance decline ratio was pretty skewed towards neither of them. 81 shares remain unchanged. In terms of specific stocks, Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, Divis Laboratories, Maruti, and ITC were the top Nifty losers, while the gainers included the likes of HDFC, NTPC, SPI Life, and Grasim Industries, as well as Infosys. Now, apart from just like how I said, auto index, rest all of the sectoral indices slipped into the red, with oil and gas, IT, realty, and capital goods dragging by 1 to 2 odd percent. Talk about the broader markets as well. The mid cap and the small cap indices also shared about 0.5% to almost 1% in trade. They dragged down into the red space too. Apart from that, remember that this is the steepest single day decline that we have seen for the Nifty. Right from January 24th, and it has fallen like it fell about 2.7% right then as well. Also, when you talk about HDFC, that had the largest drop today, falling 3.3 odd percent, and 40 out of the 50 shares really on the Nifty pack release fell in trade. A lot of focus was there on the specific stocks as well today, where the results were being reported. Talk about GAIL, its Q3 profit beat estimates and the shares rose in trade. Adani Transmission Q3 profit, however, fell 32 odd percent, and the shares of Adani Transmission traded in the red after the company's profit actually fell about 32% to just about 267 odd crore rupees. And on a year on year basis, it had really slipped. Revenue also was up by 14 odd percent at 2613 crore rupees. EBITDA was up 6.4%. Margins were at 14.4% versus 11%, and the estimate was higher. And which is why, missing these street estimates, the Adani shares were dragging the street. Talk about Titan, that was a much awaited earnings number today. It reported an all around beat on the numbers. Shares of Titan also were edging higher after reporting the numbers. Tata Group subsidiary recorded a 91% year on year rise in profit at 1,000 crore rupees in the quarter ended December. This compares with the estimates of around 871 crore rupees that was largely on the street estimate as well. Talk about the experts. What are they looking at as how the Nifty will be moving forward from here? We just have one more day in this week, and then the next week follows. The budget week will be behind us soon. And experts believe that Nifty is still on a buy on decline mode right now. Any rally above 17,680 would again initiate a buy rating on the index as well. And the index may move towards 18,000 levels, 18,001 and 200 as well. On the lower side, support they say is placed at 17,400 right now. So all eyes will be on individual earnings pack and how they really help the markets maneuver their trajectory going forward from here on. We'll keep you posted with all the market momentum and the news flow that will impact the stock markets even in tomorrow's trading action. So do stay tuned on to Business Today, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any important video from the world of business and stock markets that impacts straight away your wallet as well. Thanks a lot for tuning in.